Today we're going to do an unboxing of the index controllers. Okay, let's just dive right into this, get this opened up and taken care of. All right, let's see here. What do we have? First of all, I do like the attention to detail that Valve has taken with the box and just everything in it. It's very nice. It's very well constructed. In shipment, this thing is not going to get damaged. If you've seen other videos, they have it boxed really tight inside of another box. So this came very nice, undamaged, and very well preserved. So this right here is where you're going to find all the goodies, your instructions, in other words. Let's see here. Nice packaging, by the way. There we go. That's the one we're going to want. And all the other different languages you can think of, and that's probably important as well. Now let's put these off to the side. We are just taking a look today at the controllers themselves and what comes in the box. Here is your charging cable and another one right down here. I do not see a charging block. I wish they would have had that in there. I do have a VIVE, the original VIVE, so I will just use those to charge these with. Most of the time, the output on those devices are very similar because of the USB standards and things like that. So you don't have to worry about that. It's just if I want to use my wands or charge those and these at the same time, it's a bit of an inconvenience. And also the straps that go around your wrist, just in case it drops for some reason, which these should not, but then again, in VR, sometimes things just get a little wild. Okay, here's your left controller. Let's see here. I have not figured out, I haven't looked at anything, so not sure how these actually move, and I don't want to force them and break them. So let's see here. Let's see how they feel. Pretty nice, actually. I do like it. I'm thinking that this might have to be rerouted around or something, but that's right there. That's not going to fall off. Nice. Very nice. Okay. I'm still going to wear that, what do you want to call it, controller lanyard? I don't know. So that's on there good and snug. Just for those of you that don't know, this right here is the sensor. If I had a VIVE controller up here, I could show you the size. It's about a couple inches shorter. Right here. Now let's take a look at this one right here. Here's your touchpad, A and B controllers, your reset, and then your stick here. I've heard this does click. Okay, I've heard that those don't click, and that seems to be a quality issue, but everything seems to be good here with this. This right here is your finger sensor, or fingers sensor, and right down here is to release your tension on your arm right there. I might move these up to the first one. I don't know. I'll have to see how that goes. So that is a real quick unboxing and overview of the Valve Index controllers. I like the quality so far of them. Over the last year or two, I've heard some quality issues from them. I'm hoping that Valve is addressing those, and these are going to be a good set for me for years to come. I do know that my Valve controllers are wearing down, and that's why I purchased these. Plus, now all the games that are coming out seem to be having this sort of finger tracking, things like that. So that is something that I want to get into, and you'll see more videos of. So stay tuned. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get more of these type of videos. And be sure to check out my Amazon wardrobe link. That link will support anything that you get from that link will support this channel. So if there's something you need for hiking, for working out, for anything that's underneath that Amazon wardrobe area, that will definitely do something for the channel. I do have other Amazon links down there, as well as a Patreon link. If you want to start helping me build the community where we are trying to have fun with tech every day and make it enjoyable. So you can do it through that way as well. You'll get behind the scenes as well as bloopers and some stuff I will not be putting up on YouTube. So such as daily activities, stuff like that, and what's going on in my life. So there you go. That is everything I have for you. Please put those comments down below. And this is Chris saying out.